Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to forensic science and criminology review. In this video, we'll explore forensic science, 10 items review questions, set 2A, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, and boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Test your expertise in forensic science. Strengthen your understanding of criminal investigations. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and turn on notifications bell for more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, forensic techniques, and in-depth legal insights. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Which refers to the study of blood groups? A. Serology. B. Chemistry. C. Physics. D. Botany. The branch of forensic which uses insects as evidence to help reconstruct the circumstances. A. Forensic entomology. B. DNA typing. C. Forensic science. D. Forensic chemistry. Who are the computer and information scientists/technicians who may be involved in the recovery and examination of probative information from digital evidence? A. Forensic evidence. B. Forensic nursing. C. Forensic engineering. D. Forensic odontology. Expertise of a forensic scientist must include the following: A. Analysis of physical evidence. B. Expert witness. C. Specially trained evidence collection technicians. D. All of the above. The categories of death are as follows, choose the exception. A. Natural death and accident. B. Homicide and suicide. C. Undetermined manner of death. D. None of the above. Which branch of forensic science deals with determining suspects with the process matching of bite marks, teeth structure, or match a victim to his dental X-rays, resulting in an identification of an unknown individual? A. Forensic odontology. B. Forensic entomology. C. Forensic deontology. D. Forensic analysis. Which is the function of forensic scientist that refers to the skilled personnel in applying the principles and the physical and nature sciences? A. Witness. B. Analysis of physical evidence. C. Collection specialist. D. Evidence. Which is the function of forensic scientists that possess skill that will aid the court in determining the truth? A. Expert witness. B. Specially trained evidence. C. Collection technicians. D. Analysis of physical evidence. This is the function of forensic scientist trained in proper recognition, collection, and preservation of evidence required so that the medical examiner or coroner can determine the cause of death in an autopsy. A. Analysis of physical evidence. B. Expert witness. C. Specially trained evidence collection technician. D. Computer analyst. Which causes and manner of death falls under the jurisdiction of the local medical examiner or coroner? A. Suspicious deaths, Sudden/expected deaths or deaths in children/infant. B. Deaths in individuals not under the care of a physician. C. Situations where illicit drugs or alcohol may have contributed to the death. D. All the above. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.